Welcome to Nelson's Primary School, Standard 3rd, Subject SS. I am going to explain you Lesson 5, our district Ahmedabad Geography. Ahmedabad is the name of district. There are 9 talukas in Ahmedabad district. The largest river of Ahmedabad district is Sabarmati. Ahmedabad is also called India's textile city. Ahmedabad city was established on 26 February 1411 by King Ahmad Shah Badshah. Wheat is the main crop of our district. Garba dance is famous in Ahmedabad. The International Kite Festival is held on 14 January every year. There are 9 talukas of Ahmedabad district. They are Ahmedabad, Daskroi, Bawla, Detroj, Dhandhuka, Dholka, Mandal, Sanand, Viramgam. Dhandhuka is the biggest taluka in Ahmedabad district. The nearest villages, towns and cities form a taluka and many talukas form district. There are 26 districts in Gujarat, 26 plus 7 new districts in 2013, so total 33 districts. There are 12 gates in this city, Ahmedabad, total 21. Famous places: Kankaria. Kankaria Lake is the first largest lake in Ahmedabad. It was completed in 1451 during the reign of Sultan Qutbuddin Ahmad Shah. Juma Masjid. Jama Masjid, also known as Juma Mosque, and was built in 1424 during the reign of Ahmad Shah. Manek Chowk. Manek Chowk is a notable city square in Ahmedabad. It is surrounded by historical structures. Jhulta Minara, shaking towers in Gomtipur. If one shakes one minar, the other moves of its own. Sabarmati Riverfront. Sabarmati Riverfront is a waterfront being developed along the banks of Sabarmati River in Ahmedabad. Gandhi Ashram. Gandhi Ashram is located in the Sabarmati suburb of Ahmedabad, adjoining the Ashram Road on the banks of the river Sabarmati. Law Garden. Law Garden is a public garden in the city of Ahmedabad. The market outside the garden is very famous for the handicraft goods sold by local people. Naginawadi. Naginawadi is a garden-themed entertainment grounds in the center of the circular Kankaria Lake. The Adalaj Stepwell. Adalaj Stepwell is a stepwell located in the village of Adalaj, close to Gandhinagar city, and considered a fine example of Indian architecture work. It was built in 1498 in the memory of Rana Veer Singh. Nal Sarovar. Nal Sarovar is situated about 64 km to the west of Ahmedabad near Sanand village. Mainly inhabited by migratory birds in winter, it is the largest bird sanctuary in Gujarat. It was declared a bird sanctuary in April 1969. Motera Stadium. Motera Stadium, also known as Sardar Patel Stadium, is now the world's largest cricket stadium and the second largest sports stadium. Situated on the outskirts of Ahmedabad, Motera Stadium has a seating capacity of 1.10 lakh spectators. Festivals like Kite Festival, Navratri, Rath Yatra and Tarnetar Fair are celebrated in Ahmedabad city.